Very important. So today, to review, we're going to have a look at something, well, to your first grade eyes, is very familiar. This is our alphabet. Our initial letter of the alphabet is A.
A.
And our last letter is Z. Hold up your left hand, please. Our left hand is our before hand. Hold up your right hand, please. Our right hand is our after hand. Do you know what the middle letters of the alphabet are?
The middle are M and N.
Take your left hand, please, and point to M. Take your right hand, please, and point to N. Hold up your beforehand. Hold up your afterhand. Now, take your beforehand and place it on middle letter M. No, you're not. Thank you. Now take your afterhand and place it on middle letter N. Now, we're going to trace the alphabet with our beforehand, starting with the letter A. We're going to follow it all the way until it meets our afterhand and follow that through the last letter Z. Yes?
So are we going to do it like a number? Mine like this? Like
no.
You go to A and then you count up, then you go up as you read.
Nope, we're just going to
go down there.
Nothing near as exciting. We're just kind of read the letters off with our beforehand and afterhand as we follow them through. So, beforehand on M, or on A, excuse me, afterhand on N. N. Afterhand on N, please.
That's so weird.
Yes, it is, isn't it? But this is how they want it done. So, let's go through, starting with your beforehand, and follow it all the way until it meets that afterhand, and then all the way to final letter Z. Ready? Together.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N.
Now we go N, O,
P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Very good.
Then am I going to trace it like this?
No, but later you can color it if you want. But right now we're just going to finish this lesson. So, next, do you remember our work that we did with phonemes and graphemes? Phonemes are the sounds and graphemes are the letters. So, we're going to do a little exercise here where each one of these super cool guitar picks represents a grapheme.
Can we show them that guitar?
Yeah, they can see them on the camera. So, we're going to start with the word, and for every word, there you go, put it down. So, let's start with the word. Okay, they see them, they're kind of all the same, I think. All right, long day. Cool. So, for example, I'll do one for you. I will do the word cat. I would go C-A-T. Cat. Now I would want to change that word to bat. Which word would I change? In fact, we'll use a puzzle piece for the extra piece since we have it here. I would change the C out for a B, and I would have bat. So let's try this. Start with the guitar picks. Show me sit. You would go S-I-T. Now, let's change that to, hold on, leave them there. Let's change that with the puzzle piece to sat. Show me sat. Change sit into sat. There we go. And here's the puzzle piece. Here, use this. Okay. What sound did we change? First, middle, or last? We changed sit.
Like on the first one.
Okay, we changed sit into sat. Which sound did we change? First, middle, or last?
Middle.
Middle. Point to it, please. Sat. Okay, now show me mat. There's another one for you. Can you please stop rocking on this one? What sound did we change? First, middle, or last? First. Now show me mad. change Matt into mad.
Let's pretend like this is a D.
Sure.
Hey, Dad.
Yep.
Dad, what if I wrote?
We could do that. Go ahead and write it. And it'll help you see it. We could change it up on the fly. But let's get through this. Mad. So
Mad.
now spell it for me.
M-A-D.
So if we were changing that from Matt into mad, what sound did we change? First, middle, or last? Last. Very good. Okay, last one I'm going to make you do. Change mad into sad. Okay, honey, you don't have to erase it. You can just write it in. Change mad into sad. Which letter, which sound would we change? First,
S.
was that first, middle, or last? Say hi. Everybody loves cats. I don't know if everybody loves cats. I love cats. What about you?
Cat.
Okay, very good.
Everybody probably will.
Now, we're going to change things up here.
Cats are smart.
Cats are smarter than dogs.
Dogs
For
aren't
sure.
smart at all.
Yeah, but I like dogs too. You'd be amazed how much little kids talk about cats and dogs. You could go on all day talking about cats and dogs.
Well,
Okay, that's cool, exactly. Okay, we're going to do a similar exercise now, working with T and H. What does that letter combination do? T and H. That blend does what? And there are a couple different ways. It could either be voiced or voiceless. You already know this. Tell me about that. Is that voiced or voiceless?
Voice.
Voiced. Look, you're teaching the
Voiceless.
people at home. Very good. Very, very good. So let's start with the word thin. So in
That's
each one of these cubes here is
Dad.
going to be, hold on, listen now. In each one of these cubes is going to be the phoneme. The phoneme is the sound, right? The grapheme is the letters that make the sound. So what is the phoneme for? What graphemes make that? What letters make that? T and H. So let's start with the word thin. Show me it broken down into the phonemes. So you already got that one. So use the next block for the next sound. And then the final block for the next sound. Now, in the last block over here, write the word thin. Right there. Thin. Very good. Now say it with me. Thin.
Thin.
Thin. Now let's try it with another word and a different expression of the letter blend. Let's go with with. What goes in the first? What's the first one? And then the next one? Oh no, it would just be the first sound. Let's sound it out together before we write it. Look at me. With. So what's the first sound? And it's expressed with which letter? W. No, the will be at the end. If.
I'm like, W is a blend.
No, W is not a blend in this case. It is if. It's okay. Go ahead and just use the next one. We'll start over on the next one. I know it's been a long day, Joe.
How late is it?
Can't leave bedtime, honey. If. There you go. So what do we got here?
Well, it's
Very good. Now write the word on the end here. In this cube, please.
I'm like their words.
Honey, we don't need periods after single words.
No.
They're not sensitive.
Like with the
With. Okay. Now let's finish with one more word featuring the TH blend. Ready? Show me then. Okay, what's the next thing? I got N. Then. You know, we've usually done these lessons on like Saturdays or Sundays, and you didn't have school. You've had a long academic day, haven't you?
Yeah.
Then. How is that TH different?
Because it's voice.
Then. Okay. So we only have to do one more exercise because the other lesson video that we sent in had the missing part. So when your dad taught you this lesson before, I missed some spots. So last sheets here. We are now going to work with irregular words. Let's start with, I'm going to start by writing it on the line for you. What word is that? Okay, help us up, please. Why is that irregular? When you look at that, what is strange about that?
It's
Give you a hint. It's not the letter blend of T and H. That E on the end, isn't that weird? Doesn't it seem like it should do something else than it does?
that the person who did it doesn't make sense what the E should actually be.
Yeah, it's weird, isn't it? Ah, exactly. It seems so strange. But that's just something we have to know. So, what we're going to do in this exercise now is that you are going to say the letters to yourself as you write it 3 times, once on each line. Give it a shot. Out loud. T.
T H E.
Again. T. Out loud.
T A T N T H
E. Tricky, huh? Okay, now we're going to try doing it by heart. Because an irregular word, much like a sight word, is something we just have to know. Please write the word the 3 times, once on each line. Now spell it for us, please.
T H E.
And that spells?
H E T H.
What does that spell? Very good. All right, one more irregular word. Now, I'm supposed to give you this one in the lesson, but I didn't really think it was that irregular myself, but I'm old and maybe I don't know any better. The next irregular word.
That you're just 36.
The next irregular word is. You know that one, don't you? I'll hold it for you. Oh, long day. Say the word letters as you spell. I.
S.
Okay. Now, we got it. 3 times is enough. 3 times is enough. Now, without saying it out loud or seeing it spelled for you, spell the word is 3 times. That's close enough. I see what you did there. Go ahead and do it again. It's actually an S, but with angles. It would be a backwards if anything. What do we have here? The word is?
Is.
So, Bella.
And the letter of this one is I and S.
So, when combined with the other lesson that we didn't do the whole thing with, we now completed the whole lesson 2 after we completed lesson 3.
At first. They actually.
Okay. Ow.
Hey, Dad.
All right, Bella. Thank you so much. Say
Dad?
goodnight, Bella.
Good night. Have a good evening.